Usage and gas compliance are both metrics used to ensure workers are doing their jobs safely. This report tracks the percentage of compliance in your organization for high-level visibility and may help to highlight opportunities for policy and process improvement. To get an overview of how compliant your organization is, navigate to Blackline Analytics through the main menu and select the report from the sidebar. While usage can double as a productivity measure, it primarily indicates that a device was powered on and monitoring a worker's safety for their shift. Most companies have a number of usage hours they expect per worker. For example, it's common to expect a worker to have device usage for their entire shift. By sorting the usage visual, you can quickly see which group or individual has the most and least usage. In addition to usage, bump tests and calibrations are a requirement for working in areas that could contain hazardous gas. These gas compliance tests ensure equipment is functioning properly so that workers will be informed in the case of an exposure. The goal for any company tracking gas compliance is to be 100% compliant by regularly testing gas detection equipment. This report reveals the percentage of compliance across the organization or within a group in order to find gaps in training. The information from this report can be used in combination with the bump test and calibration report to troubleshoot the cause of test failures and non-compliance.